Welcome. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So my device is an iOS device and I'm really not sure if this will work on Android. So if you just want to try this, if you're using Android, feel free to follow these simple steps. So first you want to open your YouTube app, and then you want to click your profile here on the upper right side of your screen. Then you want to click settings, and here you just want to click general, and then you can see restricted mode option. Then so restricted mode, it helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So if you want to turn your restricted mode, just click that, and if you want to turn that off, just click on that again. So if the switch is blue, it means it is turned on. If the switch is gray, it means it is turned off. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.